If you're using QuickBooks Online and you have sales tax obligations, you may be familiar with the automated sales tax functionality inside QBO, or maybe not. So in this video, we're talking about custom rates, and I'll give you 4 reasons why you shouldn't use them. The first reason you should not use custom rates is because you yourself and you alone will have to actively monitor and manually update all rate changes that take place in the locations where you are obligated to collect sales tax. So this can be a tedious job depending on the state or the multiple states where you're doing business. States like California and Texas can have hundreds of rate changes in a given year, and even states like Florida can have a large amount of rate changes. And states like Alabama and Louisiana, they have rate changes every month. So it's a pain to track these changes. If you fail to update your sales tax rate on a monthly basis in some states like Alabama, or quarterly basis in other states, you're going to find that you're under collecting sales tax, and you'll be responsible for those under collections plus penalties and interest if your under collection is ever discovered upon being audited by your state or even local tax commission. The state, county, local, and district sales tax rates in QBO's automated sales tax functionality are actively tracked by a team of sales tax experts. So if a tax jurisdiction decides to increase or decrease their sales tax rate, QBO is updated to reflect that change, and you do not need to do anything. If a new tax rate is created, such as a new district rate that will start applying at a particular address, QBO is updated to reflect this new sales tax rate, and you do not need to do anything. QBO will also send an email to you at the beginning of the month letting you know that there are rate changes that are taking place in these jurisdictions where you are collecting sales tax, to give you the heads up that these updates are happening. Now, the second reason you should not use custom rates is because it's super time consuming. So you not only have to look up each tax rate, right? You need to create a custom rate manually then, but it's going to take you even more time if you decide to attach that custom rate to specific customers. It's tedious work and it's a pain, right? So the third reason that you should not use custom rates are if you rely on your employees to choose the right custom rate from the tax dropdown menu, right? It's very possible that they're going to make an error and choose the incorrect custom rate, and they're going to apply that incorrect custom rate to the invoice they're creating, and therefore potentially not charge the right sales tax, and it could cost your business money. The fourth reason not to use custom rates is that it's so much more efficient to use automated sales tax rates. Now, when you use automated sales tax rates in QBO, the tax is calculated using either the ship-to address for your customer, presuming that's the rule in your state, or if it's an interstate transaction, sales tax will be always be calculated at that ship-to address by default. Now, note if this this is really dependent on the state, right? And the types of sales, because some states do charge sales tax at the ship from address, but again, a large majority of states charge sales tax at the ship to address or the location of service performance. All you need to do is put an address in the ship to box, and the sales tax rate will be calculated based on that address. Now, this saves so much time for business owners and potentially money as well. Instead of miscalculating sales tax because your business is using old and outdated sales tax rates, you can rely on the tax experts at QBO to keep your sales tax rates updated for you. Yes, you heard that correctly. QBO has a team of sales tax experts who are working on all of this sales tax stuff. There's some gossip out there that QBO uses Avalara's rates, but that is not true at all. There's a team of people in the back end with many, many years of experience making sure all sales tax rates are updated and all law changes impacting the taxability of products and services are reflected in the tax category content in QBO. If you've watched the video this far, thanks for being here, and make sure to smash that like button to tell YouTube that this video is helpful for you and your business. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so that you can stay updated for future videos. You'll be alerted once they come out, and they may too help you with your business. Thank you for being here today and watching, and I'll see you in the next video.